It's good for working parents and those who want to get back into work when their child starts school. So if they haven't been able to work, the child goes in to part-time nursery, we can provide wraparound so they're able to work a full day.
When my son started nursery in a part-time place, it was a big help as we had the wraparound in order for him to go into the setting in the afternoons, so which allowed me to be able to go to work. And we've also used it through the holidays as well, which is such a big help.
It helps with the transition if they use the wraparound element. So they're coming back to their preschool or their daycare the other half of the day. It's familiarity, it's familiar environment, familiar staff.
I've really noticed a difference in Ryder's development. With the fact that he has additional needs, it's really important for him to stay in a routine, which helps with him going in half terms. And he just really enjoys going there and seeing all the staff and seeing his friends. I really would recommend this offer to other parents. It really gives you peace of mind knowing you can go to work and not worry about who's going to have the children. And also it does help with the mum guilt knowing you're leaving them, knowing they're enjoying the time in the setting. And also from a financial point of view as well, you know, you're not paying on childcare or relying on family members.
I encourage all eligible parents to apply for the offer, even if they think they may not use it or not use it very much. It doesn't cost anything to apply. Once you're approved, if your circumstances changed, you've always got that option then to use it.
I found the process really easy to apply for. It was all done online, straightforward, and I would definitely recommend it to other parents. It's great to be able to go to work and not have the worry of who's going to have the children. It's really been amazing support for me and my family.